We're saddling up for another adventure in the Pocono Mountains. This one involves horses, but that's just one part of the overall experience. Come along. Welcome to Pocono Camp Glamp in Jim Thorpe. The over 500-acre property features nearly 40 newly renovated log cabins in different styles, plus tent and full hookup RV sites.
We're walking down steps that we built.
Hit the hiking trails, leading to stocked streams for fishing, and this swimming hole, a hidden gem where people and pets can cool off on a hot summer day. Jim Thorpe Horse Adventures is also on site with guided tours open to the public and overnight guests. 12-year-old Charlie and 10-year-old Olive are here for the first time, enjoying a quiet family getaway.
It's really nice. I used to live in upstate New York, so I love being in the woods.
It's very naturey.
This was a baseball field, as you can see in the corner.
Kevin Jones co-founded Pocono Camp Glamp in October 2024. For Kevin, who operates upscale vacation rentals in Lake Harmony, and his two business partners, brothers who are home builders in the Poconos, this was a familiar yet new venture.
None of us knew anything about campgrounds and RV spots and log cabins, but it just looked like one of those things you couldn't pass on. And you can see the vision that we had, and we've only been open for a year now, but the vision is people on hiking trails, people around campfires with s'mores, little kids on horseback. You can see what this could be, and we're just getting started.
This property was once a beloved YMCA camp, then a juvenile justice camp to rehabilitate teens in trouble with the law, which shuttered in 2019.
It had been sitting for probably 4 years, just sitting here, starting to waste away.
Look closely and you'll see remnants of the camp's former life, like this zip line tucked in the woods, and a rock climbing wall which Pocono Camp Glamp plans to revitalize.
There's just a lot here, all that slowly has to be brought back to life.
The cabins have glamp-like features including air conditioning and heating, Wi-Fi, kitchenettes, and private bathrooms in some. This large cabin and surrounding units are great for girls' getaways and other large gatherings, with a communal fire pit and vast views.
I had this pre-belief in my head of who would come camping, and boy was it wrong. We get everything from New Yorkers that have never been camping to a Harvard girls' college reunion. So it's all over the board. So who comes has been nothing but a steady surprise and kind of pleasant.
2 new pools will soon be under construction, making a splash alongside the game room, pickleball, volleyball, and basketball courts. The social hall, where campers once ate their meals, is also being remodeled.
So the plan is to provide some more amenities.
Skirmish, the world's largest paintball field, whitewater rafting, state parks, and downtown Jim Thorpe are all a short drive from Pocono Camp Glamp, a special place being revived with a fresh vision while reconnecting to its roots.
We love seeing people that are here and happy, and it is all over the board. It's just not mom and dad with 2.5 children. It's groups of 20-year-old girls. It's groups of 50-year-old guys. It's all over the board what's up here on any given weekend. And there's something about a bunch of people at different campfires, and they walk around and they talk to each other. So it breaks down a lot of barriers, and yeah, it's pretty spectacular. It's pretty spectacular.
Back here with the horses, Jim Thorpe Horse Adventures is open seasonally by special appointment, while you could stay at Pocono Camp Glamp year-round. I'm Brianna with the Pocono Television Network.